Protostome, I did crab, and I'm Madeline Day. So the common and specific name for crabs, obviously the common name is crab, just because that's what we call it, and then the scientific name is either Brachyria or Brachyra. I'm not positive on how to pronounce that. And then the name crab comes from a Germanic root related to the word claw. So that's where we get it. And then its natural habitat, so crabs can be found in a variety of places, such as oceans, fresh bodies of water, and even several miles from land where they'll like burrow in sand or dirt. And then the true crab's habitat, which is pretty much just like when you think of crab, like the true, just like not a hermit crab or anything. Their habitat is in benthic marine habitats, which basically just means at the bottom of a body of water, so like the bottom of a lake, the bottom of an ocean, things like that. And then they can live in rocky or coral areas. So how it obtains food, crabs hunt their prey with their large claws. So they use their legs just like get around and then hunt with their claws. And then they eat barnacles, fish, snails, and other crabs. Really anything it's like alive that they eat dead fish too, but just like anything they can get their claws on, I guess. Yeah, so pretty much crabs prey on anything that they can find, and then crabs are preyed on by sea turtles, some birds, like birds that'll eat fish and things like that, that'll like dive into the water, some of those, and then occasionally large fish. Some unique evolved traits include tucked tails and then a hard upper shell. So both of these were just like they evolved just to protect them from their predators. So like the tail, the predator would like grab it, and so it was just like extra surface area for the predator to grab when like they were chasing them. So pretty much the tucked tail, and then just the hard upper shell just to protect them once again from predators, like a deterrent, I guess. And then where it's located on the tree of life. So crabs are located on the arthropod branch. And the characteristics of an arthropod include paired jointed appendages, so like one on each side, like of the legs, and then an exoskeleton, and then a segmented body. So like the legs have little segments, and then the body's like a separate segment. And then they're from the phylum Arthropoda. And then here's images of the organisms. You have like the normal, these are all just of true crabs, not like hermit crabs, anything like that. But on the very left, just like a crab, and then the middle one's a crab on like a coral reef underwater. And then the one on the very right is just like different, I guess, species of crabs. And then the importance to ecosystem and humans. So the main decomposer, they're a main decomposer to the ecosystem. So pretty much they just clean up like the dead animals and debris and stuff like that, and like just like matter and stuff that gathers on the bottom. And then crabs are a vital food source to other organisms that we eat, and then also to us. So like the other organisms in the ocean that are preying on them, like we are, or that they're like their predators, like we also eat those organisms as well. And then overall they just keep the ocean clean, which keeps the world healthy. The ocean's obviously a big part of that. So, and then here's all my cited sources, all the websites that I used. So thank you for watching my video.